Stop freaking whiting me out, dude. It's natural-ish makeup for the natural-ish girl. Is this really bad? I don't know. There's a hair on it. That's disgusting. Oh my gosh. What's up, guys? Welcome back to Life of Lainebut. Thanks for joining us again. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do this makeup look. It's my everyday makeup with a little bit of... We got a little bit fancy for you guys. Wanted to impress you. Anyways, I'm going to show you how to do it today. I am by no means a makeup artist. No one asked for this, but I've wanted to do one for so long. So that's what we're doing today. Just before we start, I want to say do your skincare before you do your makeup because it'll be nasty and crusty if you don't. I also put on moisturizer before this. I'm looking for a sunscreen because I know you're supposed to wear sunscreen all the time or whatever. But I don't have anything else to say, so let's get into the video. Alright guys, before I get started, I'm going to show you my ingredients. So here's my makeup bag, and I'm not going to go in order so that it's a surprise when I put them on what order they go in. Here's some powder. I broke the top, so I had to put tape on it, and then I like rubber cemented the inside. Let's have a look. There it is. This, you like rub your brushes in here and it takes the pigment off and like dry cleans them, I guess. My most expensive makeup item. Just kidding. I got this. Actually, I think my mom got it at the dollar store. Definitely not the best. It's LA Colors, but I've used it a lot and it works for what I use it for, and I feel like it matches my skin pretty well. Okay, this is Maybelline. I can't remember what it's called, but I think we all had this clear mascara in middle school. I use it for eyebrows now though. This is just an EOS lip balm. It's gluten-free. So step one. This is an e.l.f. eyeliner pencil sharpener. A beauty blender. This is my favorite mascara. Wow, the lighting is really terrible. L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise. I tried a zero waste mascara over the summer and it did not work for me. Like I said, trying to find better options. I'm gonna put this in my brow right now to warm it up. Okay, this is actually nice. Bobbi Brown concealer. This is like a little shaver thing. This you can use to like shave your eyebrows or your mustache or any part of your face that has hair on it that you don't want there. There's nothing wrong with leaving it on, but if you're into that, these work pretty well. This is some black eyeliner pencil, and then it has the little smudger on the side. Not very waterproof, but it does the job. Okay, this is a Beauty Bakery Proof is in the Puddin' palette. This is the Maybelline Define a Line brown eyeliner stick thing, and it also has a little smudger thing on it. This says Tweezer Man on it, literally just an eyelash curler. This is Red Apple lipstick in the color Vogue. Look at that. It's also gluten-free, so that's fun. This is the only gluten-free lipstick I have. These are both Glossier Play eyeliners. This one's like a dark red, this one's an orange. I love these. They're so fun. I love colored eyeliner. Who thought of that? That was a smart cookie. This is the Glossier Play, I think it's called like High Bright maybe. It's just their highlighter. Cool. And then this is, besides mascara, this is like the most important makeup thing to me. Glossier Cloud Paint in Storm. I freaking love this so much. We also have this little eyebrow brush. That's nice. I have a blush and powder brush from Eco Tools. Same with this like fan brush, I think it's called. And then an eyeliner brush. And then I also have this fluffy brush. I don't know where it's from. Like I said, I haven't been wearing a ton of makeup recently. Getting really into that like natural look. If I do wear makeup, it's probably mascara and that cloud paint. And sometimes I add like the Glossier eyeliners as well. Oh, and concealer. Today we're gonna do a little bit more. I'm gonna do eyeshadow, some lips. You know what? I'm just gonna take you along with me and you'll see what it is, okay? We're gonna start with my concealer, which I already showed you, Bobbi Brown. So we're gonna do a little triangle, and again, I'm not going for full coverage. We'll just put a little dot there. Now we're gonna do some triangles right here. I do like highlighting my nose. Then we're gonna do right under here where it's like red in the outer corner of my eye. Carve out the inner eyebrow a little bit. I have like a mini cold sore right here, and then a little on the chin. Oh, and then also like right in here. So I have my beauty blender all wet. I use kind of warm water, so I'm just gonna blend that in. Fun fact, guys, I used to want to be a makeup artist when I was in high school. Also, I just got my nails done for this video, and they don't look bad on camera, but they are so poorly done. I think now we're gonna work on eyes. different schools of thought, but I like to do eyes first because then you can like, I mean, I guess I just did concealer all over my face, but eyes you can like clean up, right? Like I said, we're gonna do this lovely Proof is in the Pudding palette. We're not gonna do anything too dramatic. We're gonna start with red pudding up here, kind of like a warm light brown shade, and that's gonna be our darkest shade. And we're just gonna put that in the crease, right? And you can just like make it as dramatic or not dramatic as you want, obviously. I'm gonna put a little bit under my eye. Like I said, fallout, I can take care of it because I didn't do the rest of my face yet. Same thing on this eye, obviously. I used to try really hard not to make the mascara face when I was doing makeup because I was like, I'm not like the other girls. But now I found out that the other girls are cool. Look how green my eyes look. I love my hazel orbs. I think we're gonna go in with a little bit more concealer just on the lid so that we can get all the pigment from our next color. I don't know, like it'll stick better. So I'm just gonna tap that on. Now we're gonna take Nana Pudding and we're gonna put that kind of in the corner and around. We're just gonna leave a little bit of space like right here for the lighter shade. I'm satisfied. Are you guys satisfied? We're also gonna take Nana Pudding and we're gonna blend it up to the brow bone, not all the way because we really want that highlight on the brow bone. Now before we take the lightest shade, number one, what I'm gonna do is brush through these just to get them up. I'm basically gonna do the same thing with the clear mascara, but I like to have nice fluffy brows. Okay, they actually look really good right now. Take the clear mascara, I'm gonna shake it around a little because this is really running out. Anyways, there's our fluffy brows. Mixing it up a little, we're gonna take the highlights and we're gonna put that where we're going to put the lightest shade, so right here. And we don't need a ton because again, this is a natural look. Stop. I'm so sorry that that keeps happening. This might be the last time I acknowledge it out loud. I'm gonna make sure this brush is clean. It's a little bit flatter and I think it'll hold the pigment better. And then we're gonna blend this out so that it's like still shiny. I don't know how, yeah, you can see it a little bit. It's still shiny. We're now going to take the rice pudding shade, packing it on, whatever. I feel like that's one of the best places you can like highlight on your face. Now it's time for eyeliner. I think we're gonna use the orange on top at least. And we're just gonna try and like get it kind of thinner, obviously, like up here, and then just kind of like smudgy out here. That's how it looks. And like it's like subtle, right? But then it's like, oh, that's a little different. Now we're gonna take the black, and like I said, it's not the most waterproof, so we're not gonna use it a ton, but we're just gonna put it right under here to make it a little bit, give us a little drama. I love drama. See, this is the thing. I use like reddish orange eyeshadows because that contrasts with the green and then makes my eyes look greener. Okay, now we're using the brown pencil, and we're just gonna do like the same thing. Go a little bit over, go a little heavier, and then bring it a little further in. So you can see how it's kind of like pulled my eyes out a little bit. I think that's cool. If you don't have to do it. Ow. Now that we have that, it's freaking curl your eyelashes time. We're just gonna go once in the middle. You want to get all those top lashes, right? Okay, we see a difference from this eye and this eye, right? Okay guys, we now have our bra warmed mascara. It comes out of the tube and it's got this little pointy thing on it. I take that off, and there's still a lot on the end of the brush, so what I do is I put that on the tips of my eyelashes first, and then what you do is you take it and you wiggle it up. I feel like every single time I do mascara, one of the eyes looks really good and one of them looks really bad. So far this is the good one, so we're just gonna do that to the other side. I'm pretty sure you guys can figure it out. I'm not gonna walk you through it. Now we're gonna do the bottom. I feel like my bottom lashes are a little bit longer than they need to be. I'm not complaining. I'm just gonna give them a little wiggle here. So now our eyes are done. Don't they look so good? We're not gonna do a full coverage look today. You probably guessed that already from the fact that I didn't have any foundation or heavy powder. We are going to do just a little bit more of our concealer right in the corners. I feel like I've got more sleep, so my eye bags are not that bad. And we're also going to do a little bit more on the nose just to accentuate the highlight that we have that potential for. Blend this out. Be a little more careful since there's makeup on your eyes now. I did drop mascara right here, but we're gonna just pretend it's a freckle or something, okay? We could have gone harder on the nose, but it feels good. We have our highlight again. We're just gonna put that on the nose and then also right on the cheekbone. And I think I'm gonna blend this with my fingers. So I feel like I don't need a ton of blush right now, but I'm a freaking sucker for blush, so we're gonna use a little bit. I'm just gonna put it right here, almost as like kind of like where we're gonna put the contour stuff, right? This I'm also going to use my hands for. We're gonna skip the nose blush for today. I have my little thing that I've super hit the pan on. We're gonna take the fan brush, put it in the darker contour, and I'm just gonna go in a circular motion and also bring it in a little bit under there. Might as well do the jawline while we're here, right? We'll fix it on the nose so we don't have to be super precise. precise. We don't have to be super precise. Just a tiny bit on the forehead. I'm really bad at blending it on the forehead, so we're gonna try to really... I also have a birthmark that right here like makes it kind of look more dramatic than it is. We're gonna take the lighter one and we're gonna go under my eyes and also like hit that highlight because you wanna lock that in, right? We're gonna go in the middle of the nose, just a teeny bit. The chin, basically any area you wanna highlight. I'm really happy with how this is going. We're gonna take the powder brush and we're just gonna push it in. We don't need a ton. If there's any area of your face that looks like more glossy or oily, I would put it there first. It's looking like my nose today. And you don't want to like wipe anything off, right? But you also want to cover. Last step, we're gonna use my red apple lipstick. I don't like to use a ton. I feel kind of weird when I have too much lipstick on, so rub your lips together. Emphasize that Cupid's bow a little. And there we go! That's the freaking final look. Alright guys, that's like all I have today. I'm actually really happy with how it went. I thought it was gonna be more frustrating than this, but it went pretty well. I'm sorry the lighting wasn't the best. I'm hoping to get a new phone for Christmas, but also I think it'd be cool if I had a vlog camera. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. I'm really feeling it, guys. Like, the lighting is so bad, but I'm really feeling it. I feel like myself. That's what's most important, guys. My dogs are barking outside. I apologize if you hear that. I guess they're telling me to wrap it up, so I will see you guys next time. I hope you enjoyed. I promise the next video will not be makeup or fashion, okay? I promise. But I hope you guys enjoyed this, so I'm really happy I got to share my routine with you guys. I hope you have a good one. I hope there aren't dogs screaming at you in real life. I will see you next time. Bye-bye.